Who is a relevant independent advisor when it comes to signing my employment-related settlement agreement? I'm Richard Hiron, also known as the Hironator, and I'm an employment law solicitor. There are 4 categories of people who can be a relevant independent advisor, and I'm going to take you through who they are now. The first of those categories is a qualified lawyer. This person will have a current practicing certificate, meaning that they are essentially able to advise you on the terms and effect of the settlement agreement and its impact on your rights, and, if necessary, represent you in the employment tribunal or a court if things lead to that. One extra thing that I want to say about this is that the qualified lawyer must not have been involved in this matter to date. They must not have been advising your employer on the settlement agreement, because in that case they're not a relevant independent advisor, they're biased, whether they like to be or not. The second category of person is a trade union advisor. Now, this person must have been certified and authorised by the trade union to give you advice. Leading on from that, we have the third category of person, who is a voluntary sector advisor. They might be working for a legal advice centre. However, they must have been authorised and certified by that voluntary sector organisation to give you advice. A quite crucial point about this is that if you have been paying that person or that voluntary sector service for advice relating to your employment, then that rules them out, because they're not then voluntary for the purposes of being a relevant independent advisor. The fourth and final category is anyone else who is appointed in an order made by the Secretary of State to be a relevant independent advisor. An example of this can be chartered legal executives working in a firm that is regulated by the Solicitors Regulation Authority. So, those are your relevant independent advisors, and I hope that that's answered the question. In the meantime, if you're finding a settlement agreement hard, bring it to Richard.